Join me as I take on the challenge of finding and capturing the most breathtaking views in Switzerland. In this video, you'll explore Switzerland's most beautiful views, showcasing the country's natural beauty and iconic landmarks that attract millions of visitors each year. Many travelers struggle to decide where to go in Switzerland, given the overwhelming number of stunning locations and viewpoints available. With so many options, it's hard to narrow it down to just a few must-see spots. From the snow-capped Alps to the pristine lakes and picturesque villages, Switzerland is a nature lover's paradise. And with its rich history and cultural heritage, there's no shortage of iconic landmarks to explore. But with so many incredible views to choose from, it can be tough to prioritize which ones to see first. Travelers often ask me for recommendations on where to go in Switzerland, and my answer is always the same. You can't go wrong with the classics. The Matterhorn, Lake Geneva, and the Jungfrau region are just a few of the many iconic destinations that draw visitors from around the world. But what makes these views so special? Is it the sheer scale of the mountains, the tranquility of the lakes, or the charm of the villages? As you plan your trip to Switzerland, it's worth considering what type of experience you're looking for. Are you an adventure seeker, looking to hike to the top of a mountain or ski down its slopes? Or are you more of a relaxation enthusiast, seeking out serene lakeside towns and picturesque villages? Whatever your style, Switzerland has something for everyone. You will highlight several key locations, including the majestic Matterhorn, the serene Lake Geneva, and the picturesque Jungfrau region, discussing what makes each view unique and breathtaking. The Matterhorn is one of Switzerland's most iconic landmarks, and for good reason. Its sheer scale is awe-inspiring, and the views from the top are simply stunning. Lake Geneva, on the other hand, is a tranquil oasis in the heart of the Alps, surrounded by picturesque villages and rolling hills. And the Jungfrau region is a winter wonderland, with snow-capped mountains, frozen lakes, and charming villages. The Matterhorn is one of those views that's even more breathtaking in person. The photos just don't do it justice. And Lake Geneva is a view that's perfect for relaxation. Imagine sipping a coffee or a glass of wine on the lake's shores, surrounded by the stunning Swiss Alps. The Jungfrau region is a view that's perfect for adventure seekers. Imagine skiing down the slopes of the Eiger or hiking to the top of the Monch. From the majestic peaks of the Alps to the tranquil shores of Lake Geneva, each of these views offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a relaxation enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Switzerland has something for everyone. And with its rich history and cultural heritage, there's always more to explore and discover. The video will feature a breathtaking drone shot of the Swiss Alps, capturing the grandeur of the landscapes and providing a moment that embodies the beauty of Switzerland. Imagine soaring above the mountains, with the wind rushing past you and the stunning scenery unfolding below. It's a truly immersive experience that will leave you feeling like you're right there in the heart of the Alps. The drone shot will give you a bird's-eye view of the Alps, showcasing the sheer scale and majesty of the mountains. You'll see the way the light reflects off the snow, casting a golden glow over the landscape. And you'll see the way the mountains rise up from the valley floor, their peaks towering above the trees. The drone shot is a moment that will leave you breathless, and it's the perfect way to experience the beauty of Switzerland from a new and unique perspective. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your trip, this shot will inspire you to get out there and explore. Summarize the stunning views covered in the video and emphasize how these locations represent the essence of Switzerland's charm and allure. From the majestic Matterhorn to the serene Lake Geneva and the picturesque Jungfrau region, this video has showcased the very best of Switzerland's natural beauty and iconic landmarks. These views are more than just pretty pictures. They're a representation of the essence of Switzerland's charm and allure. They're the reason why millions of visitors flock to this country every year. And they're the reason why you'll want to come back again and again. So, which of these views was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for stunning destinations around the world.